Right, want to go ahead and stir our cilantro in. And then we're going to dust the top of this mixture, with some oregano. If you want to measure it out, you're going to want about half a tablespoon. The same with our cumin. I'm going to give about a teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Right, now we're going to take our can of kidney beans and we're going to lightly drain. I'm not going to drain all of the juice out, just about half, and then we're going to add them straight in. Now I didn't stir all the veggies up when they were on top because I didn't want them to burn. But once we've added the liquid here, then they're going to spread out throughout the whole dish.